Now next part, gratitude. Overflown. I am overflown with this very emotion of gratitude, gratefulness, because everything is fine here. See, I am alive. You all are alive. We are breathing. We are in good state. So gratefulness happened to us naturally because of this abundance of life. I am overflown at my heart with heartfulness and with the third dimension of the heartfulness, actually the third major dimension of the heartfulness, because there are many accessories, many branches, many flowers to the heartfulness, to the emotions. But right now, I am along with you all exploring this third dimension of heartfulness, that is gratitude. Fill yourself with the gratitude. Fill yourself with the gratitude. I am expressing my gratitude to each and everything, to the divine unknown, to my life, to my body, to my mind, to my soul, to each and every person, whoever comes in my life, in the past, at the current level, or in the future. I am grateful to each and everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you to each and every entity. Thank you so much. I am grateful to this nature. I am grateful to the existence. I am grateful to these 57 plus trillion cells of my body, or more cells. I don't know the exact number, but there are in trillions. So I am expressing my gratitude to each and every cell of my body. I am expressing my gratitude to the breath, to the pranavayu. I am expressing my gratitude to this physical body, to each and every cell. I am expressing my gratitude to the mind, where I am contemplating, thinking, where I am expressing my emotions. Yes, where I am thinking. So thank you, mind. Thank you so much. There might be two dimensions of the mind. One is emotional part, another one is logical part. I am expressing my gratitude to these both dimensions of the mind. And now, moreover, that mental part which is attached to the heart, I am expressing to that emotional dimension of the mind. Yes, I am expressing the heart with the heartfulness. Thank you so much for this life. Thank you so much for gratefulness. Thank you so much that I know that I have to express my gratitude. Thank you so much that I have that level of intelligence, what thinking that I have to express my gratitude. So thank you so much to my intelligence. Thank you so much to everything, mind, body, intelligence, breath. And thank you so much to the self. Yes, mana, buddhi, ahankar. Ahankar in the sense of self. Yes, thank you so much. We are expressing these three dimensions of the heartfulness: love, compassion, gratitude. I am overflown with this thought of heartfulness, focusing over the heart. I am overflown with this thought of heartfulness. Now I am feeling like there is something great which resides here, which is situated here. I can call it as, or I may call it as, or I might call it as divine unknown, which is situated here at the very center of my heart. Heartfulness, imaginary. We simply have to think that at the heart center there is something divine power. We can call it as God, Goddess, divine energy, ultimate concern. You can name anything, but this supreme power is connected with me through the heart center. Yes. Focusing over the heart center, expressing the heartfulness. Imaginary, I am simply thinking that there is something great which is situated here and what is connected me to the Supreme. Thank you so much, this thread. Thank you so much, God. Thank you so much, Goddess. Thank you so much, Divine Unknown. Thank you so much, Ultimate Concern. Thank you so much. Here at the heart center, something divine, and I have to express my gratitude. I have to express my love, compassion, affection, whatever positive emotions I have to surrender that emotions at the feet of that supreme power. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am overflown with this thought of heartfulness at the heart center. Thank you, heart. Thank you, emotions. Thank you, heartfulness. Thank you, Divine Unknown. I am focusing over this supreme power which is situated at the heart center. Thank you. Simply observe, feeling yourself with love, emotions, compassion, gratitude, affection, positivity, surrender, whatever you found in the gallery of your mind, emotional mind, you simply have to pluck that flower to offer it at the feet of heartfulness where that divine power situated. Imaginary, we simply have to go to the emotional mind, pluck whatever you found that is positive, divine, emotional, lovable. You simply have to pick that flower of gratitude, flower of love, flower of emotions, flower of compassion, flower of affection. You simply have to pluck that flowers of emotions, the bouquet of emotions, and simply take it and offer it at the feet of our Supreme God, our Supreme Divine Unknown, our Supreme Energy, what is connected or situated here at the heart center. Heart center, heart center, heart center. Now, at the intermediate level or at the beginning level, we have expressed our thought of heartfulness. We have cultivated our emotional mind so that that supreme power come to us, come closer to us and stay for a while at our heart center. Now we have cultivated our emotional mind, our emotional heart through the plow of heartfulness we have cultivated. Now the next part, simply observance, filled with the emotions of love, compassion and gratitude. Fill yourself with the emotion of love. Overflow yourself at the heart center. Experience the heartfulness. Experience the heartfulness. Heartfulness. Yes. Not the 99%, but the 100%. Heartfulness. Fill yourself with the love, compassion and gratitude. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, divine power. I am filled with love. I am filled with compassion. I am filled with gratitude towards my heart center because I feel that there is something divine unknown. So I want to connect that divine unknown to the divine unknown. I want to connect my soul to the Supreme Soul. I want to connect my limited edition of nature to the infinite nature. I want to connect my very being to the Supreme Being at the center of the heart, with the feeling of heartfulness, with the feeling of emotions, with the feeling of love, compassion, and gratitude. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now I am feeling the love. I am feeling the compassion. I am feeling the gratitude. So you all also have to feel the love. Might be in the beginning imaginary, but simply you have to fill with love, because this simple thought is sufficient to fill with love, that we are alive and we know it, that we are alive, and we have to be gratitude because we have to be in gratitude because we know that we are in good state, we are in harmony, we are in good intellect, we are in good mind, we are in the heart of good heart.